everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry my head's cut off a little bit, but I don't have a tripod yet for this camera. It's only on a small base at the moment, resting on a couple of books and my laptop. Thank you guys so much for joining me again. Thank you so much for waiting so patiently while I've been sick. I've been so ill with a cold. It's still not completely gone. My chest is very heavy. I feel like it may have gone to my chest a little bit. Other than that, I'm doing great. I want to get my septum pierced, which is just here. I'm thinking about it, but I don't know if it will look good for me, so I ordered a couple of fake septum rings from, you guessed it, Wish. So hopefully they look okay on camera. I will show you what they look like up close and on me as well. So these were only a couple of pounds, mainly shipping, but it's just a small ring, obviously with two balls up here which you slide on. So it's basically a clip-on, and it has cute little diamante sort of rhinestone sort of looking things. Okay, so it's rather itchy, especially on the inside of my nose. It feels like it's falling down, but I wouldn't want it. I would want mine more subtle than anything. But this is what this one looks like. I might have to like pinch the top of it closed up a bit more so it feels a bit more secure. Okay, so that was the first one. The next one is more of a fanned out version. It's the similar style. Okay. So it's more fanned out, as you can see. So a bit more fanned with a bit more of a design here. They are made of metal, they're not plastic or anything. So this one doesn't suit me as much because it seems to be a bit bigger. It feels like it's falling down as well, so I might have to pinch them a little bit so they stay in more. But this is this design. So the third design is a bit more of a pointed end to it. It looks more like a crown, upside down crown, if that makes any sense. There we go. So this one here is a bit more of a point near the bottom. It's absolutely beautiful. Some nice white crystals on this black silverish metal. Backs of them don't have anything on. So it looks good. I like it. Not sure if it's an actual piercing I would get done, but I thought I'd just have a look and see what it looks like and what it feels like. I know it's not accurately representing what it feels like to get one, but it looks good. These, as I say, were only a couple of pounds. I think mainly they were either a pound and then the shipping was a pound, or they were free and the shipping was £2. So, and I'm going to give you some close-up shots of it. So that is the collection I currently have of septum rings, well, fake septum rings. They are very small. They are of the smallish size. They are absolutely gorgeous. They didn't cost much. They're pretty cheap. They arrived within a couple of weeks. It is quite long shipping, but for Wish, that's pretty decent. I'll update you if I actually get the piercing done. So thank you guys for watching this really short video. I'm sorry it's so short, but I have got another few ideas for videos coming. You'll be able to see them very soon. Okay, bye.